हेलो दोस्तों, पिछली वीडियो में हम एनएमआर पढ़ रहे थे जिसमें हमारा टाइप ऑफ प्रोटॉन हो गया था, टाइप ऑफ सिग्नल, केमिकल शिफ्ट एंड स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ सिग्नल्स। अब हम बात करें H1 एनएमआर स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ active hydrogen containing compounds. Such compounds in which a proton is attached with oxygen atom, nitrogen atom or fluorine atom does not show spin-spin coupling due to fast proton exchange among molecules, so that such protons are observed at singlet in NMR spectrum. And we can see the examples of the active hydrogen compound. Here the hydrogen is attached with oxygen or nitrogen. Then this hydrogen is observed found in singlet position. Here fast exchange of proton occurs in presence of impurities like water, acid. So fast exchange of proton is not possible in ultra pure sample. So the this alcohol or amine proton shows spin-spin coupling, and double quadrate triplet will be found. It shows three signals. However, spin-spin coupling of hydroxylic compound is also observed at very low temperature where exchange of proton is very slow. So now next is deuterium exchange. Deuterium exchange in presence of deuterium oxide D2O, OH and amine protons undergoes exchange with deuterium. We can see the reaction alcohol in the presence of deuterium oxide. The hydrogen and deuterium all exchange, so that on addition of D2O the signal of hydroxylic proton disappeared because deuterium nuclei require different field strength for flipping resonance of alpha and beta spin state. Similarly, amine and dialkyl amine dilute deuterium exchange as in this reaction. Important Importance of deuterium exchange. By the help of deuterium exchange reaction, if the given compound shows deuterium exchange, then it indicate compound have active hydrogen. By the help of deuterium exchange, we can calculate, see the compound has active hydrogen. Now next is spin decoupling. By the help of spin decoupling, when a proton does not undergo spin-spin coupling with nearly protons, then such a proton is called spin decoupled proton, and this phenomena is called spin decoupling. Spin decoupling can be performed through double irradiated, double resonance, and deuterium labeling. In double irradiation, given molecule is irradiated with two radio frequencies beam. First is normal beam, where absorption is being measured, and second is much stronger beam, whose frequency is different from the normal beam. Due to double irradiation, spin of the proton is decoupled and we observed a single peak. In deuterium labeling, protons are replaced by deuterium. Since deuterium do not shows spin-spin coupling with proton, hence proton of the adjacent carbon do not shows spin-spin coupling. We can see the example triplet and quadruplet are found, but by the help of deuterium exchange, singlet is found. This is called spin decoupled proton, and this is called decoupling, spin decoupling.